Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, me and Zeus and I are going to be doing a DIY project with my flowers that I got from Miranda. He wants to really. Okay, so these are the flowers that I got a couple weeks ago. As you can see, they are very much dead. I saw a project on Pinterest that you can actually make the flowers into a heart shaped in a shadow box. So that is what we are about to do today. All you need for this project is a hot glue gun, a shadow box that I already took apart. So basically, like I said, you're gonna cut the flower petals off of the stem, create a heart shaped from the flowers, and you're going to hot glue them onto the styrofoam, which will eventually go back into the box. That is all you're gonna do. So my hot glue gun is almost ready. So I have my tray. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on, and then just some scissors. Okay, so I just went ahead and cut off, this looks so weird, I just cut off all the flowers off the stem, and now I have a tray full of dead flowers. I'm gonna go ahead and then place the petals into a heart so I know where to already glue them down. Okay guys, so I am done with this project. I haven't seen it officially in the actual shadow box itself. I did burn myself. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but my finger is on fire. It feels... Sissy, no. No. Let me see. Sorry, but it hurts so bad. So this is the final showing of this project. I'm so nervous because I hope it looks as good as it did flat, but then I have to like flip it up. I hope it stays, I don't know. But okay, are you guys ready? Okay. So nervous, I'm so nervous, I'm so nervous. That is so cute. So I don't know if you guys can see it because of the glare. Alright, so now that I have this done, I'm going to go ahead and put it up on the wall so I can always have these flowers for memories. But if you guys like this, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching.